So I have a 2014 Jeep Cherokee. Here are my top bars on the roof. We got our clamps themselves here. These just slide right on, and they can adjust based on how wide your roof rack is. You're gonna put your end caps in. These slide right in. There are 4 of these, 2 for each crossbar. So we're mounting these now. So what you're gonna wanna do, these will adjust their width. So you wanna line it up with your crossbar. Now what I realized on the roof of mine, the standard width that this was preset at, it's not wide enough, so this isn't gonna lock down. So what I had to do, you take your Allen wrench and you go in your back hole here. All right, so I loosen it a little bit. Now that clamps down. Now before I tighten these back up, I wanna get a visual. I want the same length on each side. All right, so I gotta shift it this way a little bit. Okay, so we're about even. All right, now my distance from front to back, the instructions say 700 millimeters. For those on the American system, that's 27.5 inches. So we'll measure that out. So I'm at about 29 right now. I'm gonna tighten all the clamps up. And I do really like that this Allen wrench is long enough. It extends out past your bar so you can easily turn it. So yeah, we're tightened up. I'd give it a good shake. Make sure this thing is locked on. And then it does come with a security key here. So on the back here, there's a little cover. That way someone can't come up with an Allen wrench and loosen these and take these off. I like the design of this. It's not too bulky, but it looks like it's sturdy enough. It kind of goes with the look of my car. And I like that these do seem solid. Like I'm shaking my car with these, so I do feel confident that I can put something on this. This ladder isn't too crazy heavy, but it's heavy enough. And the bars are both completely supporting this in the middle. But now I can carry ladders on the top. I can put a bed on the top, plywood, wood. I'd probably use some ratchet straps. With the design of the bars, you could use a ratchet strap with this, very easy. Just go right over and under the bars themselves. Overall, I really like this roof rack so far. It was very easy to install and it seems durable. I'm not gonna carry 1,000,000 pounds on this, but honestly, anything that I'm able to lift up on here with my own body, I think this will hold. It's also fairly easy to take things off of this. Obviously, I would be careful, but it slides right off and you can load and unload very easy.